How to customize your profile. The Profile section allows you to customize your user information, manage email notifications, adjust sound alerts, and select your platform language. In the Identity info, you can update your first and last name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You can also enable the Islamic account option. The Identity status contains the necessary information for verifying your account. In the Social Trading subsection, you can choose to hide or display your profile to other social trading members and change your nickname for this section. The settings let you manage your email notification preferences, subscribe to updates from your manager, receive company news and promotions, trade analytics, trading statements, and education emails. You can also adjust your sound notification settings here. The final setting in the Profile section is choosing the platform language. Try now. Follow the link in the description.